Migrating your WordPress site to Bluehost is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Sign up for a Bluehost account. Visit the Bluehost website and choose a suitable hosting plan. Complete the sign-up process, including domain registration if needed. Backup your existing site. Use a backup plugin to create a backup of your existing WordPress site. This should include files and databases. Download the backup files to your computer. Access your Bluehost cPanel. Log into your Bluehost account and go to the cPanel by clicking on the Advanced tab. Install WordPress. In cPanel, find the WordPress icon under the website section and install it on your new Bluehost account. Upload backup files. If you use the backup plugin, install the same plugin on your new Bluehost WordPress site. Use the plugin to restore the backup files you downloaded earlier. Update DNS settings. If you have a custom domain, update the DNS settings to point to your new Bluehost server. This may involve changing name servers at your domain register. Test your site. Once everything is migrated, thoroughly test your site to ensure all functionalities are working correctly.